me, and today I want to show you. This is the weather alert. This is the Serere thunderstorm warning, and it's going to be thunderstorms, isolated thunderstorms, and scattered thunderstorms. The current weather is 76 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today you can look for rainy weather with the high 58 degrees and the low 50 degrees. By the way, there's a severe thunderstorm warning until Monday, July 4th, 4 p.m. to 4 a.m. Thunderstorm will actually start at 5 p.m. to 6 p.m.